In today's session, we will try to solve few of the trigonometric problems. So I planned for four questions here. I'll go one by one. Let's say there is a question saying cot theta equal to 7 by 8. Then we need to find 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So if cot theta is 7 by 8, can I say tan theta equal to 8 by 7, right? Now let's assume there is a right angle triangle ABC, and if this is a reference angle, so I can say opposite side as 8 and base side is 7. Here I am applying Pythagoras theorem. Now, as per Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. This side we need to find. The reason to find this value is to get the values of sin theta and cos theta. So AB square is 7 square plus 8 square equals to AC square. 49, 8 square 64 equals to AC square. 113 equals to AC square. AC equals to root of 113. So the value of AC is root of 113. Now let's come to the question now. As we already know, A plus B into A minus B equals to A square minus B square. I'll try to apply this formula in the question. Here A equal to 1 and B equal to sin theta. So 1 plus sin theta minus 1 minus sin theta becomes 1 minus sin square theta. In the same way, in this case, A equal to 1 and B equal to cos theta. So 1 plus cos theta minus into 1 minus cos theta will become 1 minus cos square theta. So as a result, I could see 1 minus sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. And we already know the basic formula of trigonometry is cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So I can write cos square theta as 1 minus sin square theta. The same way, I can write sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, now after applying the formula, we can see 1 minus sin square theta will be resulted as cos square theta, and the 1 minus cos square theta will be resulted as sin square theta. From this triangle, now we will try to write cos theta. Cos theta is nothing but 7 by root 113, because cos theta is defined as adjacent side by hypotenuse. In the same way, sin theta equals to 8 by root 113. I'll try to apply both. Seven by root 113 whole square by 8 by root 113 whole square. Okay, now 7 square 49 by square and root gets cancelled, so it will be 113 by 64. 8 square by square root gets cancelled again, and it is 113 again. So I can cancel both of these, and the answer will be 49 by 64. Okay. And next, there is one more question. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. As we know, 1 plus sin theta is nothing but 8 by root 113 by cos theta 7 by root 113. So I can take the LCM. These two gets cancelled, so answer will be 8 plus root 113 by 7. Yeah, and second question is, there is a circle which is having radius of 6 centimeter, and there is a curve making an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Then we need to find the length of a curve. Okay, now let's assume there is a circle. Okay, and let's say this is the center, and he did mention that there is a chord. Let's say this is AB, and this chord is making an angle of 60 degrees with the center, which means this angle is totally 60 degrees. Okay, now what are the values we have? Let's see. We have seen radius as a 6 centimeter. This is 6 and this is 6, and we have one angle. So to apply tan or sine or cos, we need to make a right angle triangle. For that, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to draw a 90 degrees line here. Okay, now let's say this is C. Now what I'll try to do, I'll try to find length of a CB. Okay, if I double the CB, then that is automatically total length of a chord. Okay, now in this case, so if total angle is 60 degrees, then I can say that this triangle is 30 and this triangle is 30 degrees. So I'll try to apply, if this is a theta, okay, we need to find this. Okay, now we have this hypotenuse, so we have a opposite side length and we have a hypotenuse. So I can apply sine the theta is angle is 30 degrees equals to opposite side, which is x by 6. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. We already learned in the first session. Now which is x by 6. X equals to 6 by 2. 6 by 2 will be 3. So we got the value of x, which is 3. So to find the total length of a chord, we need to double the x, 2x, which means 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, yeah. And next, coming to the third question, evaluate sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60, and also evaluate sin of 60 degrees plus 30. Here we need to find the relation in between these two. Okay, now sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Okay, we need to find this as well in the last, and we need to find the relation between these two values. Okay, now sin 60, as we already learnt in the first session, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2 cos 60 1 by 2. Okay, root 3 into root 3, root 3 square, which means square and root gets cancelled, and 2 into 2 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 1 by 4. Here 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals to, the LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. 4 divided by 4, 4 into 3, 3. Sorry, 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 into 3, 3. Plus 4 divided by 4, 1. Plus into 1 equals to 1. 4 by 4 equals to 1. Here there is a one more we need to check. Sin 60 degrees plus 30, which is sin 90, equals to 1. This is already defined 1. So I could say sin of, let's say 60 degrees as A, 30 degrees as B, then I can write it as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, this is a formula. Next, fourth question. Evaluate cos of 60 degrees plus 30 degrees and cos 60 minus cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. And we need to find the relation between these two as third question. Okay. Now, cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees, we need to find this. Second one is cos 60 into cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 30. Okay, we will try to find the values of these two equations and we will try to get the relation between these two. Okay, as you know from the last session, cos 60 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, now this is root 3 by 4 minus this is root 3 by 4. Okay, which is 0. This is the first value, first equation value. Second equation, sorry, second one. And cos 60 plus cos 30, cos 90, which is equals to 0. So I would say both are equal. So by this evaluation we got to know, let's assume as earlier A is 60, B is 30. So in that case A is 60, B is 30. So I'll try to write this in terms of A and B. So I would say cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So these two formulas we have evaluated using the above questions. Okay, thanks for watching. In the coming videos we will try to focus on the important questions.